abantu abarengira omero bishatu abarugire omero kawempe wakiso n'endijo myanya ejeherire n'uwo bashaziremu kwegita kibiina kya NRM ababarugire omu bibiina ebindi by'obutegetsi. Aba babiri bebembiremu bakama baabo abatugambire abwaki bashaziremu okukora eki.
Kakati webabanga basazeewo okujja okweyunga ku jjajja waliwo agambayo teri agambayo ne twakooye okukubwa emiggo twakooye emiggo n'ekirala ekituleese wano twakooye okubeera mu mbeera embi ewaffe gyenva twagala kwekulaakulanya.
NRM kibiina kya ddala kitwala abantu mu Uganda yonna ate nga NRM bw'egamba nti egenda kukola ekintu ekikola.
Nabwanyuma omwezi wa Secretary General ab'ekibiina kya NRM abakiire yabaraganisa ngubo tebalije kwefuuza.
The National Resistance Movement
Ekibiina kya NRM
is a party for young people.
kibiina ky'abavubuka.
All of you here, the way I see, you were produced during NRM time.
Mwenna abali wano abasinga muzaaliddwa mu mulembe gwe NRM.
And we are committed to make sure you live a full life.
Era tuli bamalirivu okulaba nti mubeera mu bulamu obulungi.
Ogona oyonje yabaraganisa okuja kubakwatiraho bongere kwiha omboro.
I will present you officially to the president.
Era ajja kubalagayo eri omukulembeze w'eggwanga.
Then on Wednesday,
Ku Lwokusatu,
I want to sit down with your leaders. I want you to be different now that you have come to NRM.
Ahindire arukubashaba okonja kurunda obushagiki bw'ekibiina kya NRM. Amakuru aga gasha kwa Jimmy Muhumuza.